We're actually at Javier's home place, and his mom, Jesus, was there. She was cooking us authentic Costa Rican food, man.
Javier said, hey, you guys want to take a tour? And we said, sure, let's go. And that's really where the experience began. And as we started walking, Javier started talking, I realized that there was really a purpose for everything that was in that garden.
Okay. You see this plant?
Uh-huh.
It's really good, and the people use a lot. It is ginger. You can feel.
Oh yeah, ginger.
But you have like this a lot of plants around here. For example, this one. This one.
Oregano.
This is oregano.
Oregano.
Yeah, this is oregano. And we have a lot of medicine. It's this one. It's really good for medicine.
So now what does this do?
We call gavilana, and that is really good for the health. For the body. You have any infection, any something not good in the body. You put in the water, and then 1 cup of the water like this. 4 or 5 leaves, make like this, and take out all the green, the water, and drink. It's really better.
Bitter?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very bitter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take your word for it.
Yeah. Okay, and let's go to see another kind of trees.
Let's go.
They don't need a grocery store. They don't need a pharmacy. They can subsist on what they grow. As we went through there were fruit trees. We had oranges, we had star fruit, there's coconut, sugar cane. They grow their own coffee. And just to hear Javier talk about growing up there and all the things that he experienced and the way that they do things and the fact that it hasn't really changed. They still don't have electricity. They don't really need it. When his mother cooked lunch for us, she cooked it over wood. Now she had a type of stove that they had built, but it was on firewood.
Javier, thank you for sharing your home, your stories, this delicious food. It really has been a great day. I'm glad this is what we do.
Okay.
Thank you again.
Pura Vida. You're welcome.
Oh yeah. They have a saying down here, and it's Pura Vida, which means pure life.
Delicious.
And the experience that we had today with Javier and his family, that's the meaning of pure life. Now I get it. Now I understand.